Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we are going to unbox and review the new and latest release ng Infinix dito sa Philippines. This is the Infinix Hot 9. Ang variant meron tayo is the 128GB of internal storage with 4GB of RAM. So without further ado, let us start the unboxing and review. So this is the box of the Infinix Hot 9, and as you can see, ang variant na mayroon tayo is the 128GB of internal storage with 4GB of RAM, and available din po siya with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Ang colors na available sa kanya ay apat. Meron tayong black, violet, blue, and green color. So sa likod ng box makikita natin yung kanyang specs. The memory has 128GB of internal storage with 4GB of RAM, battery capacity of 5000 mAh, operating system Android 10, front camera is 8 megapixel with flash, rear camera is quad rear camera setup, 16 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel macro, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and light sensor na QVGA. It has a processor of MT6762D octa-core processor, a network of 4G connectivity, 6.6 HD Plus Infinity O display, punch hole na po siya, at meron siyang resolution na 720 by 1600 resolution or 720 pixels, and it is based on Android 10 under the XOS 6.0 na custom skin ng Infinix. At ang maganda sa kanya, it has a DTS audio processing kasama, kagaya po ng Dolby Atmos. At kiniklaim ni Infinix na mayroong 4-day life battery yung kanyang 5000 mAh na battery capacity. And nabili ko nga po pala siya sa Lazada Philippines nung sale, mid-year sale, 7/15 mid-year sale ng Lazada for about 5,514 pesos using voucher and yung flash sale niya. Pero ang original price po ng Infinix Hot 9 na mayroong 128GB of internal storage and 4GB of RAM is almost 7,000. So nakamura talaga ako, and I suggest kunin nyo na po yung pinaka malaking variant ng memory niya, kasi isa itong new release ni Infinix Hot 9 sa pinakamalaking battery storage na 128GB of internal storage na release ngayong 2020. So inside the box makikita natin yung ating Infinix Hot 9 na unit. So sa ilalim po ng unit makikita natin yung Infinix customer service card na sticker. So merong copy si customer, shop copy, and sales copy. Meron din po tayong micro USB cable, ang kanyang 10 watts na power brick, ang in-ear buds type na 3.5mm headphone or earphones, ang ating pin ejector, ang ating paperwork, warranty card at yung X-Club na brochure, free na screen protector, so hindi pa siya naka-pre-installed, so tayo po ang magkakabit, and yung ating pong free clear na jelly case. So as you can see, kompletong-kompleto po lahat ng accessories ng ating Infinix Hot 9. So as you can see, kompletong-kompleto po ang lahat ng accessories na hinahanap natin sa isang budget entry-level smartphone. So good job for Infinix Hot 9. Sa front, ang 6.6-inch screen at ang kanyang 8-megapixel punch hole camera. Meron din itong 268 ppi, and as you can see, napakaganda at napakalaki ng kanyang screen, good for viewing. Sa harap din may makikita tayong soft light or flashlight na magagamit natin for low light selfies. Sa baba, ang headphone jack, microphone, micro USB at speaker. Sa left side, ang kanyang SIM and card tray slot. Sa right side, ang kanyang power button at ang kanyang volume rockers. Sa taas, wala tayong makikitang kahit ano, wala nakalagay. Makikita natin ang kanyang quad camera setup, ang kanyang flash, ang kanyang fingerprint, ang kanyang NTC seal, at ang kanyang EMEI number. So out of the box, meron pa po tayong natitirang 114 up to 116 gig out of 128 gig of internal memory. We also tested din po yung kanyang fingerprint scanner and face unlock, and as you can see, okay naman siya, gumagana, very responsive. Yun nga lang, hindi ganun kabilis yung kanyang fingerprint scanner. Pero yung kanyang face unlock po is very good. Kahit sa low light, bigla siyang umiilaw ng malakas just to scan your face. And ito naman po yung kanyang notification panel at some of its features. So makikita nyo po sa screen. So nakalista po dyan yung mga special features ng Infinix. And it runs on Android 10 under the XOS skin ng Infinix version 6.1.0. And out of the box, meron na siya agad na software update. So advice ko lang po sa inyo is i-update nyo na siya para ma-fix yung mga minor bugs kung meron kayong na-encounter. So far, okay naman siya. Wala naman ako na-encounter na bugs. And now, tinest din po natin yung kanyang Antutu benchmark score. So makikita nyo siya. For the speaker test, very good dahil meron siyang DTS sound. Now for the game test. So using the game mode, okay naman siya, playable siya, and nakakatulong yung ating game mode para maiwasan yung paglalag. Yes, naglalag po siya pero acceptable naman for its price. Sa ML po, may high frame rate mode at kaya niya ang high settings. Sa Asphalt 9 po, kaya niya din po ang high settings pero expect na may lags kaunti. And now, tinesting naman din natin yung kanyang camera and I will post the photos and videos here. And for me, okay naman yung kanyang camera samples and videos. So this is the video quality of the Infinix Hot 9 at 1080p, 30 frames per second. So this is the video quality of the Infinix Hot 9. So as you can see, meron siyang flash sa front. So hindi po tayo mahihirapan during low light dahil may flash siya. Again, this is the front facing video camera with 1080p, 30 frames per second. We also tested yung kanyang charging using the 10 watts charger and the micro USB cable na kasama sa kanyang box. And as you can see, medyo matagal talaga siyang mag-charge. And knowing na 5,000 mAh lithium-ion battery siya, so I guess pwede na rin for its price, micro USB cable. So don't expect too much kasi more or less 2 to 3 hours yung maximum time ng kanyang charging. But nevertheless, very good yung kanyang battery life. Tumatagal siya sa akin ng 1 to 2 days of usage. Depende sa paggamit. And that's it for today's video. So for me, still marerecommend ko pa rin naman si Infinix Hot 9. So may mga downside siya pero most probably mas madami pa rin naman yung kanyang pros. And bagay itong cellphone na ito sa mga naghahanap ng budget friendly na smartphone na mayroong mataas na internal storage na kaya din namang mag-gaming kahit papaano. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more upcoming videos. Thank you.